What's up guys, today we're going to be opening up a Korean Pokemon Blue Sky stream box. Now, I have a paper right here and it says that we need to find a Full Art or a Dragonite V. Now, let's get to opening the box. I'll be right back. Alright, so I actually paused the video because I wasn't sure if I had enough storage for it. So I deleted one of the previous videos I made. Now I should have enough storage. So, yeah. Alright. Oh, God, I got some trash. Okay. Come back. Alright, so. A lot of packs. Oh my God, I dropped. Oh, okay. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. So, I'm going to put them on my bed. Count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. We're going to open up 15 packs. Let's do this. Alright, is there any promos? No. Okay. Yes, sir. Alright. Next pack. Alright. Opened it. Trash. I'm out. Okay. Next. Oh, clean rip. Alright, we got this, and these two right here. Next, another clean rip. Okay. Alright, next. Whoops. Okay, grab that. One of the things we were looking for, the Dragonite V. I got a Dragonite V. Let's go. Okay. And these guys you already saw, so you don't really have to care. I'll be right back. Hello. rest of these over here. Okay. Let's continue. Another clean cut. Well, not really cut, but another very clean one. Alright. This one. This one. Rayquaza. The last one. Okay. Still got a really good Dragonite V. This is a good start. Rip. Okay. Alright, next. Oh! Just a second. Okay. You've already seen that one, you've seen that one, you've seen that one, and you've seen. No, you haven't seen. Alright, well, these are two brand new ones you've not seen. Most likely. Okay. Oh. Okay. How many more packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. Ah, yes. Ow, my neck. Okay. Alright, whoop. We let get life. We love get life. Okay. Good. Alright, next pack. It's shiny gold. It's shiny gold. And then we got the cards that you've already seen. Alright, well. We got a gold card. That's good. Okay. Seen it. Seen it. You've seen it. You have not seen it. Okay. Oh, done it. Okay. You've seen. You have not seen these three, okay? Nice. Okay. Why do I keep dropping cards? This video's so long because of that. Alright, last pack. Okay, the last pack has been a clean cut. Alright, well. Seen it, you've seen it, you've seen it. You have not seen this left. Okay. These are the last two. Alright, well, that's it. Bye.